Viticulture, okay, and viticulture, fishiculture, right? So you should know about all the definitions of all these cultures. But here the question is asked here to test you. Viticulture means cultivation of oranges, cultivation of apples, cultivation of mango, and cultivation of grapes. The right answer is, let us see here.
Hint, related to production of wine. The answer is cultivation of grapes. Explanation, production and study of grapes is called viticulture. It deals with a series of events that occurs in the vineyard. When the grapes are used for winemaking, it is also known as viticulture. It is one branch of the science of horticulture.
Children, you have seen here what is viticulture. Viticulture means production and study of grapes is called viticulture. Production of grapes or study. Production and study of grapes is called as viticulture. For example, sericulture. What is sericulture? Production of fossil is known as sericulture. Agriculture, cultivation of crops is known as agriculture. Then come to fishiculture. Breeding of fish. We call it as fishiculture. So all these small percent they can be asked. We should know, right? My dear children, once again I am telling you. So if you are thorough with all these, what is agriculture? What is viticulture? What is sericulture? What is viticulture? Fishiculture? So definitely in this format, you will come across one question. So please try to write the correct answers, right? And while writing, you should write the correct question numbers and the writing should be very clean. Last time I have seen answers that you have sent in subject teacher without roll number, without subject, without writing the section. So therefore, children, while writing the examination, first of all, you should write your roll number, name, class, section. Section is very important, and subject. And you people write in history and you are sending it to geography teacher. Write in geography and you are sending it to maths teacher. My dear cadets, be serious. Take it serious. Which exam you are writing? Who is your subject teacher? You know very well. You know very well. And we have been sending the messages through WhatsApp. I have been sending the WhatsApp messages through WhatsApp to class 8 as a class teacher. So I am handling the classes 8, 7. So geography teacher means Gopal, class 8 and class 7 and class 10. Everybody knows. At least while you send the papers, you write your roll number correctly. There are subject and sections. Clear? Now coming to regarding the cultures. Once again I am telling you, be thorough with what is agriculture, what is sericulture, what is fishiculture, what is agriculture. Clear? Now, I hope you are clear about viticulture. So viticulture means production of grapes is known as viticulture. Production and study of grapes can be termed as viticulture. Clear?
Arable land. Arable land is the land that can be used for agriculture. The term is derived from the Latin word ara, meaning to plow. Non-arable land. Non-arable land is the land unsuitable for agriculture. Reasons for occurrence of arable land are absence of fertile soil, irrigation facilities, inadequate climatic conditions, degradation of land.
Here they are telling about land. Land is there are two types, fertile land and unfertile land. So here fertile land always suitable for cultivation of crops. Fertile land always suitable for transportation, for different activities. So here land can be classified into two types, arable land, non-arable land. Children, types of land is, number one is arable land. Number two is non-arable land. If you take the first one is arable land. Arable land means land which is suitable for agriculture. Land which is suitable for agriculture is called as arable land because it is a fertile land. Fertile land always favorable for cultivation of agricultural crops. Arable land always favorable to cultivate the agriculture crops. Non-arable land, so land unsuitable for agriculture, land which is not favorable, land which is not favorable for agriculture, that land can be considered as non-arable land. Non-arable land. So here children, land can be classified into types: arable land, non-arable land. Arable land means it is a fertile land, the land which is suitable for agriculture. Whereas non-arable land means land which is not suitable. The land which is not suitable for agriculture can be termed as non-arable land. Clear? That is. So here mentioned here the reasons for occurrence of arable land. That means land is suitable for cultivation of agriculture, absence of fertile soil, irrigation facilities, inadequate climate conditions, degradation of land.
Have you ever thought why it is important for us to know what is agriculture? The answer is quite simple. We have to know and understand its meaning because we depend on agriculture more than we know. Agriculture not only involves the farmers, that is, the producers, but we who consume the food are also associated with agriculture as its consumers. Agriculture refers to cultivation of soil, raising livestock, and production of food. It is also known as farming. Fruits and vegetables are the products of agriculture. In other words, agriculture is the source of the food that we eat. As we all know, food that we eat provides us with the nutrition that we need to stay healthy and strong. Therefore, agriculture is an important part of our everyday life. Let us study the factors affecting agriculture. Climate plays a crucial role in agriculture. Plants require sufficient heat and moisture for their growth. Temperature and rainfall influence types of crops. For example, hot, wet, tropical areas favor rice production while cooler, drier areas favor wheat production. The relief of the land is a very important factor in determining the type of agricultural activity that can take place on it. Lowlands, such as floodplains, are usually best for crops as it is easy to use machinery. Steep slopes are more likely to be used for sheep and cattle farming, whereas hilly slopes are best suited for the production of tea and coffee crops. The richness of the soil is another important factor affecting agriculture. Crops grow best on rich, fertile soils, for example, alluvial soil in floodplains. Good soil consumes low quantity of fertilizer and produces higher output. Labor also plays a vital role in agriculture. All farms need either human labor or machinery to do the work. Some farm types, such as sheep farming, use very little labor, whereas rice farming requires a large labor force. Capital plays a significant role in the development of agriculture. Capital is required to purchase machinery, fertilizers, pesticides, and seeds. Without plenty of capital, a farmer cannot afford modern farm technology. Market is another important economic factor in agriculture. Markets are basically the customer who buys farm produce. The distance from the market determines the cost of transportation. Therefore, perishable crops such as soft fruits are grown near the market areas. The government policies also influence agricultural activities. Government may provide subsidies and loans to farmers for encouraging new farming practices, and it may also restrict the cultivation of a crop. Technological development has a great impact on agriculture. Farmers using modern farm technology get high crop yields as compared to farmers using primitive methods of farming.
Yes, children, just now you have witnessed this slide of factors affecting the agriculture. A few minutes before we have discussed about what is agriculture, economic activities. So far, I think you have learned what is agriculture, it's very clear. And different types of agricultures, that is, one is viticulture, sericulture, pisciculture, etc. Yes? So you learned 2 questions, and third question is factors affecting the agriculture. Just now you have witnessed the video about the factors affecting the agriculture. Number 1 is climate. Yes, climate is the most important factor which can be favorable to grow the different crops. And second important factor is soil. Yes, it is a fertile soil, a humus which we have to grow the different types of crops as well as plants. So therefore, it is a must. Apart from these various natural sources like climate, soil, water, this thing, even market also very important, because after production of all these goods, we have to send to the market. Then from there, they will transform all these items to the different places. So market, raw material, and even marketplaces. These are the major components of the agriculture. One is market, second is raw material, and third one is food materials are the components of the agriculture. So what are they can ask question regarding this. Which are the factors affecting agriculture? Read down: climate, soil, market, raw materials, technology, right? Water. All these factors are affecting the agriculture. This is also very important question, my dear children. Please make a note. Which are the factors affecting the agriculture? The following factors are affecting the agriculture are climate, soil, market, raw materials, technology, water. So all these factors are affecting the agriculture. Children, is it clear? So far in this class, regarding agriculture, we have learned 4 questions. What is agriculture? What is viticulture? What is pisciculture? And what are the type of land? That is arable land or non-arable land. And finally, we learned about which are the factors affecting the agriculture. Just now we have discussed. Children, understood? Yeah. Thank you. We'll meet next class. All the best for your periodic test. Clear? Thank you, children.